Welcome to Steve's Trucks YouTube channel. So we have a 617 custom steel tray with massive storage space. Got your underbody chassis boxes running all across the chassis. Got 1, 2, and 3. All custom built boxes. Check that out. On the rear you got the LED lights with a massive trundle tray. Have a look at that. Plenty of storage space. Custom LED clearance lights, indicators, and more storage boxes on the chassis. 1, 2, and 3. Custom shelving, tie down points in the tray. Got these shackles there. Work lights, more racks on the top. Fuel hose running there. And inside the cab, you got your actual alarm. So all these toolboxes have actually got a sensor, just to make sure you close all the toolboxes without driving away, and steps as well. Still in the tray. Canvas seat covers fit on this. Steering wheel mounted controls. 6-speed manual transmission. Multimedia unit. Storage space is plenty. We just get out of here now because of the storage, all that buzzer gets a bit annoying. Step down racks. I'll give you another view on this truck. Absolutely madness.